In this video, we'll compare Salesforce CRM and SAP CRM to help you decide which platform is the better choice for your business in 2026. Let's start with ease of use. Salesforce is known for its intuitive interface and cloud-first approach, making it easier for teams to get started. SAP CRM offers powerful capabilities, but is generally more suited for larger organizations with complex business processes. When it comes to features, both platforms provide contact management, lead tracking, sales automation, customer service tools, and reporting. Salesforce stands out with its advanced customization, AI-powered features, workflow automation, and a large marketplace of third-party integrations. SAP CRM, on the other hand, is a strong option for businesses that already use SAP's enterprise software and need seamless integration across their operations. For pricing, Salesforce offers multiple subscription plans for businesses of all sizes, while SAP solutions are typically tailored for medium to large enterprises and often involve customized pricing based on business needs. If you're looking for a flexible, scalable CRM with extensive customization and a broad app ecosystem, Salesforce is an excellent choice. However, if your company already runs on SAP and wants deep integration with its ERP and other business applications, SAP CRM may be the better option. Ultimately, the right CRM depends on your company's size, budget, existing software ecosystem, and long-term business goals. And that's our comparison of Salesforce CRM versus SAP CRM in 2026.